Hi guys, welcome to PrenticeFX where we teach how to trade safely, not how to gamble. Today we are going to talk on price action method that predicts breakout. Let's jump into our screen. We have observed certain time market make a resistance and a support and start moving inside this. Or sometime market make this kind of movement. Or it could be like this. This kind of price action have been given different names, but we will jump into simply how to trade this price action. In this first diagram, market was moving in a channel. Mostly market break down or if upward. If it break in any direction, it retest this area and give a jump. Here, same and same in these conditions. Same in this also. But here is a trick. Sometime market sneak out but then sneak in. And what traders do, new beginner traders, they think like this channel has been broken and now market is going up, but no, market start going down and finally break below and moving downward. How to understand this phenomena? Let's jump into live chart. Here this is gold 1 hour chart where I have marked certain areas. First, this is the channel that I was talking. Look at this market making resistance on both up and down side. Here, as I told you, that market will break in one direction. Here it break one direction. Now people will think like market is going to move up. They will buy here, put their stop losses here, but they will definitely hit their stop losses. So how to avoid that? This phenomena is called fake out. Fake out is what market break one candle above that resistance or support and the very next candle will close below it. So we have to wait. We have to wait for a number of things. First thing, it should be a very big candle like this, or there should be continuous one, three candles. Here finally market breakdown. As you can see, it breaks down this channel and the very next candle came here. It tests it but did not closed in. No, we have confirmed that this channel has been broken and we will put a short entry here. Our SL would be here and the first TP would be 1:2 this, and we will continue taking profits. We will close our half positions here and then we will let it keep going until it's give a certain signal that market is going down. Here you can see after that breakup, after that breakout, how much market make a bearish movement. Look at this, it is around 29% of your stop loss. Now let's move to the next candle. It was a bearish example. Here it's a peanut. Market was ranging beside being under these two resistances, and then finally breakout. This time market did not came for retest, but it is a very strong bullish candle. So we will put a long position on opening of very next candle. and stop loss here 50%. And our 2% of position is closed here. Our position is closed here. We got 1:2. It did not work. It did not make a certain movement like this, but it gave us a good reward. Now let's move to the next. This is also the same. Here you can see it break out this very little closing of the candle, and very next candle tested this area, and we are here buyer from here. Our SL would be this low, and now our first reward will be 1:2, and then we will keep going. Now let's move to the latest and recent scenario. Here market has made a channel again, and we are simply waiting. It's a future prediction. We are waiting for market to break below. It should not be, it should be a proper breakout, not a fake out, below or above. Then if it breaks above, we will put a buying positions on retest, and if it breaks down, we will put a sell position on retest. So this is simple price action method that predict breakout. If you like the video, please follow us on our YouTube channel. If you are watching on Facebook, follow us on our Facebook channel. And if you want to learn proper trading from basic to advanced, from fundamental to sentiment and technical analysis and many more, including Fibonacci's and other price action methods, strategies, you can contact us on our provided WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe it and share it with others. Thank you so much.